Welcome to Automoblog. My name is Carl Anthony alongside my co-host for this video, the Fanttik V8 Mate vacuum, a portable, cordless, and handheld vacuum that you can use for your vehicle or in your home or around the office. And around the office is actually where I've been using it lately, because when I went to start recording this video, I decided that I would make a little coffee, and in doing so, I went to grind the beans, and for some reason, the little plastic thing that catches the beans, I forgot to put that underneath the thing. So when I hit the button, started to grind my beans, ground beans everywhere all over our break room in the office. So not the first time I've done that, but it was easier to clean it up this time because we had a helpful tool with our Fanttik V8 Mate. For more helpful product review videos like this, hit that subscribe button. Out of the box, the V8 Mate comes with a flexible and extendable hose, a crevice nozzle, a 120 milliliter integrated dust cup, that's this part right here, built-in stainless steel and HEPA filters, you'll see those inside the dust cup, a USB Type-C charging cable, an owner's manual, and a handy storage bag to keep everything in. All right, let's cover some of these accessories a little more in depth. This is the flexible and extendable hose. This is kind of fun. But actually, this is great for those proverbial hard to reach areas inside your vehicle. So it has this tapered end right here, so that's down in between your seats, down in between your center console. Anywhere in your vehicle that is the abyss, this is the attachment that you want on the Fanttik V8 Mate. Of the accessories that come with the Fanttik V8 Mate, these are the two that we use the most. The flexible hose, of course, with the tapered end, but the crevice nozzle, which we have attached now to our Fanttik V8 Mate. We use this in our vehicle a lot, tapered end as well, and for those hard to reach areas. At home, we've even used the crevice nozzle between the couch cushion to suck up all kinds of crazy stuff. Up next is the pet brush, characterized by these little gray tabs here. And for the pet brush, what you do is you take the multi-surface brush and slide it in just like that, and then attach it to the top of the Fanttik V8 Mate. Initially, I was really excited to have the pet brush because many of our readers and viewers have dogs and cats. I have a cat, and if you have a cat, it's just a fact of life that you have cat hair on everything you own. That's why I was excited for the pet brush, but with the Fanttik V8 Mate, this is the one critique we really do have. The pet brush here with these gray tabs, what you'll find is they start to fray, and they start to fray pretty quickly. And we used the pet brush just one time in our vehicle and found that we were vacuuming up these little gray tabs from the actual brush itself. This is one area of improvement for the Fanttik V8 Mate. The pet brush is a great idea, something that every portable handheld vacuum should have, but don't be surprised if you find yourself vacuuming up pieces of the brush along with your pet hair. Last but not least is the push brush. We don't use this one a whole lot, but it's got some pretty durable bristles on it, and it attaches to the end of, say, like the crevice nozzle, for example. So the crevice nozzle gives you a little extra reach, and then you can put the push brush on the end with these durable bristles. Emptying and cleaning the Fanttik V8 Mate is really easy. On the front of the unit, unlatch the little tab to pop open the dust cup lid. That's this guy right here, this little yellow tab up here, just like that. Then you hit this, and then it opens up. On the back, you'll see two little padlock illustrations, just like so. You will see a small handle for the filter element on the bottom of the dust cup. Give that a gentle pull to separate the dust cup from the filter element. The filter element that is in the middle of the dust cup, it's actually two filters in one. There's this outside stainless steel filter, and that protects against anything sharp or jagged that would otherwise damage the HEPA filter inside. Fanttik includes this handy little brush so you can go through and you can clean the filter. For some reason, mine has coffee beans in it. There are numerous options on the market for a handheld, cordless, and portable vacuum, but the Fanttik V8 Mate is a good choice if you're in the market for one. It's easy to use, easy to stow, and the accessories really are helpful, with the exception of the pet brush and the fraying, which could be better. The Fanttik V8 Mate is good around the home or the office, and it's excellent if you have to vacuum up crumbs or rocks and dirt inside your vehicle. It really is meant for lighter cleaning jobs, stuff you can do on the fly. If it's a heavy duty type job, we still recommend a shop vac or one of the big vacuums at the local car wash. As an Amazon associate, Automoblog earns from qualifying purchases, and commissions from Amazon and other affiliate partners like Fanttik come to us at no additional cost to you. That is to say that if you purchase the Fanttik V8 Mate, you're not paying any more money than you would anywhere else, but we are earning a commission, which helps us support our publication and this channel. The Fanttik V8 Mate here, in the interest of transparency, was sent to us by Fanttik for this review. As for the coffee we vacuumed up before we recorded this video, reporting in Detroit on behalf of Automoblog with our Fanttik V8 Mate, I'm Carl Anthony.